Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Stick around to discover how you can break free from this cycle and start making bank with some savvy finance tips that you can implement right now. Welcome back to Smart Money Mentors, where we dive deep into the world of finance and empower you with the knowledge to take control of your money. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of financial literacy and how it can transform your financial situation for the better. If you're tired of financial stress and ready to achieve financial freedom, you're in the right place. First, mastering the art of budgeting. Use the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Track your expenses with apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to stay on top of where your money goes. Next, investing wisely. Start with index funds or ETFs if you're a beginner. These are low cost and provide diversification. Consider robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront for automated, low-cost investment management. Implementing smart saving strategies is crucial. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Take advantage of high-yield savings accounts to earn more interest on your emergency fund. Adopting frugal spending habits can make a big difference. Practice mindful spending. Before any purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to save money on everyday purchases. It's all about creating multiple streams of income. Whether it's through side hustles, investments, or passive income sources, diversifying your income can truly skyrocket your financial success. Host, consider side hustles like freelance work, driving for rideshare services, or selling products online. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or create digital products that generate passive income. To wrap things up, remember to implement these savvy finance tips into your daily routine. Budget like a boss, invest like a pro, save like a champ, and spend wisely. By following these principles, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom and success. Host, don't forget to show us some love by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more finance tips. We want to hear from you, so leave a comment below sharing your own financial success stories or any questions you may have for our future videos. Host, and that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, with the right knowledge and mindset, you can truly make bank in the world of finance. See you in the next video.